What's going on, guys? It's your boy Rydah coming at you guys with an unboxing and initial impressions of the brand new Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. I got these in Phantom Black and I wanted to share my initial experience with you guys because I know there's going to be a lot of you looking to buy these, maybe check them out. So I figured I would help you guys get a look and feel for the new Buds Pro. So right on the back we have some branding. They come with two-way speakers for rich sound, active noise cancellation, 5 to 18 hours of playtime, and they are IPX7 rated. So you can work out, sweat on them, and you don't got to worry about them going out on you. They work via Bluetooth and are tweaked by AKG. So without further ado, let's start opening the box. Alright, so before we get into the actual buds themselves, we'll just take a look at the top of the lid and see what's inside the little brochure guide. It looks like there is actually a demonstration of how the buds will swivel into your ear and hold in place. So we'll see if there's anything else that's useful in here. Probably not. Quick start guide, not gonna even read that. Okay, let's check out what we got here. Alright, so looks like we have the USB-C cable. Yeah, so that's USB A to C. That's where you will get all your charging done for the Galaxy Buds Pro. They do support wireless charging. And what do we got in here? And some different ear tip sizes. So, no wing tips, but ear tips. And a USB-C cable. And now for the actual Galaxy Buds Pro themselves. So we got a case in matte black. So this is very similar to the casing for the Galaxy Buds Live. Shape is very similar, but the feel, the color is so much better with the matte black finish. I really like this improvement over the Buds Live, so yes. And then we open them up, and there is the brand new Galaxy Buds Pro. So I'm going to go ahead and set them down and take one of them out and give you guys a nice good look at these. These are the brand new Galaxy Buds Pro. They look like a combination of the Buds Live and the Buds Plus, and I am super excited to test them out, see how they feel. Oh, that was a very satisfying click. Nice. So the buds rest in magnetically. You don't got to worry about them falling out. And of course, the case itself will charge them right back up. So that was my initial look and impressions of the Galaxy Buds Pro. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys some different angles of the casing and the buds themselves. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video of the Galaxy Buds Pro. Make sure to follow me on Twitter at Samsung Rydah. I go by Samsung Daddy over there. And yeah, just wanted to share my experience with you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Later, guys. Peace.